Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to learn how to create a sleek flat letter logo using Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to the Text tab and add a heading to your design. Save your changes when finished. Type your text, then select a font to change its style. Rotate the text to adjust its angle. Next, add design elements to enhance your project. Use these tools to customize your creation and make it visually appealing with ease and precision. Experiment with different fonts, rotations, and elements until you achieve the desired look. Select the rectangle shape, then change its color to red using the color palette in the toolbar at the top. Review the content carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness before proceeding to the next step in the process. Click the color option, then select yellow from the palette to change the item's color to yellow instantly. Click Position, then Layers. Select the layers you want to group and click Group. Once grouped, you can add elements to the group. To enhance the design, add a border around the group by selecting Border from the Elements menu. Adjust the border's thickness and color to fit your style. Use these tools to organize your layers and improve the visual appeal of your project efficiently and effectively. To view the borders, add this element here now. This action will help you visualize the boundaries clearly within your design space. Play the video, then rotate the image as needed. Next, resize the image by dragging the corners inward to make it smaller. Adjust until it fits your desired frame, maintaining proportions. Confirm the changes by releasing the mouse button. Use these tools to position and scale your image precisely within your project for the best visual effect. This process ensures your image is perfectly sized and oriented. To duplicate the item, first select it. Next, right-click and choose Duplicate from the menu. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D. This creates an exact copy, allowing you to work with the duplicate independently. Position or modify the copy as needed. Duplicating items saves time when replicating elements in your project. To add another shape, select the Shape tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas to create the new shape. Adjust its size and position as needed. Use the Properties panel to change color or style. Repeat these steps to add multiple shapes and customize your design efficiently. Select a single color from the palette to apply it to your design element. Select the file you want to duplicate. Right-click and choose Duplicate from the context menu. A copy of the file appears in the same folder with Copy added to its name. You can rename it by clicking the file name and typing a new one. Use duplicate files for backup or editing. Group the elements together. Then, increase their size by adjusting the scale settings to your desired dimensions for better visibility and layout balance. Click the Share button at the top right corner of your screen. Choose the platform you want to share to, enter the necessary details, and click Send. Your content will be shared instantly with your selected audience. No content was provided besides thank you. Please provide instructional content or actions to convert into a 75-word voiceover script. Increase the size slightly, then add the part elements in this area. Adjust the positioning to ensure proper alignment. Use the toolbar to select the desired parts and drag them into place. If necessary, rotate or resize the elements to fit the design. Check the spacing between parts to maintain consistent margins. Use the grid or snapping feature for precision. Once all parts are added and aligned, review the overall layout. Make any final tweaks to balance the composition. Save your work regularly to prevent data loss. If available, use the preview function to see how the parts interact together. This helps identify any adjustments needed for better visual harmony. Once satisfied, proceed to the next step in your project workflow. Remember to click the Position tool to select the object. Adjust its placement by dragging it on the canvas or entering specific coordinates. If the object is misplaced, use the Undo button or manually move it back to the desired location. Ensure alignment with other elements for a balanced layout. This step helps maintain a clean, organized design. Confirm the new position before proceeding to the next task. First, ungroup the selected element by clicking the Ungroup button. Once the element is ungrouped, review any individual components you want to adjust separately. When you are satisfied with the design, save your work to prevent any loss of progress. To save, click the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Confirm that the design is saved successfully before closing the application or moving on to the next task. Click the Share button, then choose Download option. Increase the image size to enhance quality. Adjust dimensions carefully to maximize clarity while maintaining optimal resolution for your project's best visual results. Click the Add Page button to insert a new page into your current document. Drag and drop the item to your desired location. You can also adjust its position by dragging it down or elsewhere within the interface for better organization. Use these controls to customize your layout efficiently and keep everything neatly arranged. Resize the image to make it larger. This is our final design. Review it carefully to ensure all elements are properly aligned and visually balanced before proceeding to the next step in your project. Click the Share button to send your project now. Now you've nailed flat letter logo design in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.